In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll have a clean professional email sign-off that automatically appears at the bottom of your messages, saving you time and keeping your communication consistent. First, open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the settings panel. Inside settings, scroll down until you see the section for signatures. Depending on your layout, it may be under mail or compose settings, but you're looking for the option simply labeled signature or signatures. Click that to open the signature management page. On the signatures page, click the plus icon to add a new signature. This creates a blank entry and opens the editing panel. You'll see two important fields, a place to name the signature and a larger editor where you'll design the content. Start by entering a signature name. This name is just for you. It won't appear in your emails. Choose something descriptive so you can recognize it later, like work default or personal. If you ever manage multiple roles or brands, clear names make it easy to switch between signatures. Next, enter the actual signature content. Keep it concise, readable, and aligned with your brand. A solid structure includes your name, role, or department company, and a few contact details or links, such as your website or a booking page. Use the formatting toolbar to style text, add a logo image, or include social icons. Aim for a clean layout with consistent fonts and colors, and avoid oversized images that can trigger spam filters. If you prefer a minimal look, a plain text signature is perfectly acceptable. Consider adding a short legal or confidentiality note if your organization requires it. When you're satisfied, click Save. You'll typically find the Save button near the bottom or top of the editor. After saving, your new signature will be available when you compose an email. If you've created more than one, you can choose which signature to use from the Compose Windows Signature menu. That's it. You've added a professional signature to Zoho Mail. If you ever need to refine it, return to Settings, open Signatures, and edit or create additional versions using the plus icon. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending emails that look polished every time.